Welcome to Vandana's art class. Welcome children. Our figure 1 has 3 steps. Please write today's date. First step, draw 1. But draw double line for 1. All of you draw 1. Okay, and draw double line for 1. Second step, this is your 1. 1 line longer, 1 line smaller, and make a face. Eye, 2 ears, some mustache, and 2 horns. Third step, make this leg very long. Show here, show another leg here. 1 here, 1 here, 4. 4 feet you show. Show this part longer. And here is the mouth, mustache, eye, ear, 1 horn, second horn, and show the tail. Our goat is ready. Now we are going to fill color in our goat. So our figure 2 is first step, make 2. Second step, 2 is here, but now make a curve and give the shape of a swan. Third step, 2 swan's neck, make the body bigger, make the face, eye, and here we can show another design for swan. Our duck is ready. So our third figure, step number 1, make 3, but this part small and this part very big. Then second step, this upper part, give it a face look like a monkey's face. And lower part, start first and here. this much. Then third step, show one ear also. Our monkey is ready. So figure 4. First draw the 4. Second step. This is 4. See carefully my hand. And rotate it and make this. Third step. This is 4. Curve. 2 fins. Eye and scales on the body of the fish. Here, lines. We will erase the pencil marks. Our fish is ready. Okay, so step number 1, draw 8. Step number 2, 8. Around this, make a circle. Down, show 2 hands, 2 legs, and 2 eyes. Step number 3, 8, circle, you can also make winky eyes. What is this? What's his name? Is it your teddy? So our teddy is ready. First step, draw 9. Second step, draw 9 but show a beak, show a tail, third step, show 9, cut, beak, eye, and let it sit on a branch of tree. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow Vandana's Art on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube for more videos. Thank you. Namaste.